Writing a research proposal is a critical skill for any student or researcher. It outlines your research plan and demonstrates your knowledge of the topic, the gaps your research aims to fill, and the methods you will use to achieve your goals. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to create a winning research proposal. Introduction. A research proposal is a document that outlines the plan for a research project. It details the questions you aim to answer, the significance of the research, and the methods you will use. Crafting a well-structured proposal is crucial for securing funding and approval for your project. Step 1. Understand the requirements. Before you start writing, make sure you understand the specific requirements of the funding body, academic institution, or supervisor. Different organizations have varying expectations regarding length, format, and content. Step 2. Choose a compelling topic. Your research topic should be both interesting and feasible. Consider current trends and gaps in your field. Choose a topic that not only excites you but also contributes to existing knowledge. Step 3. Conduct a literature review. A literature review is a critical component of your proposal. It demonstrates your familiarity with existing research and identifies the gap your study aims to fill. Summarize key findings from previous studies and highlight how your research will build on them. Step 4. Formulate research questions or hypotheses. Your research questions or hypotheses guide your study. They should be clear, focused, and researchable. Ensure that they are specific enough to be answered within the scope of your project. Step 5. Outline your methodology. Your methodology section should detail how you plan to conduct your research. This includes A. Research design. Explain whether your study will be qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods. B. Data collection. Describe the tools and techniques you will use to gather data. C. Data analysis. Outline the methods you will use to analyze the collected data. D. Ethical considerations. Discuss how you will address ethical issues related to your research. Step 6. Develop a work plan and timeline. A detailed work plan and timeline show that you have carefully considered the project's scope and duration. Break down the research process into manageable tasks and assign deadlines to each. Step 7. Highlight the significance and impact. Explain the significance of your research. How will it contribute to the field? What are the potential implications of your findings? Highlighting the impact of your study will make your proposal more compelling. Step 8. Prepare a budget. If your proposal requires funding, include a detailed budget. Itemize all expenses and justify the costs. Ensure that your budget is realistic and aligns with the funding body's guidelines. Step 9. Write the proposal. Start with an engaging introduction that outlines the problem and its context. Follow with the literature review, research questions, methodology, work plan, significance, and budget. Ensure that each section flows logically into the next. Step 10. Proofread and revise. Review your proposal for clarity, coherence, and consistency. Check for grammatical errors and ensure that all sections are well organized. Consider seeking feedback from peers or mentors before submitting your proposal. Writing a research proposal is a meticulous process that requires careful planning and attention to detail. By following these steps, you can create a compelling proposal that stands out. Remember, a well-crafted proposal not only secures approval, but also sets the foundation for successful research project. For professional assistance with a research proposal, visit researchproposal.help/order and let our experts guide you through the process.